All right. Welcome again to MG Sports TV, people. Thank you very much for jumping to the mic. Mic is good. All right, so thank you very much again, people, for joining me. And we have a small thing to announce. Not really announce, but the Jamaica Women's Premier League. You know, it's on its way. So new fixtures are out. The new fixtures are out. So I'm gonna drop the fixtures. But before I do that, I wanted to go in a small discussion. I should say, on Dre Blake. So Andre Blake is doing something nice down in his community. That's down in Clarendon. Blake takes football back to Clarendon, which is very good. That it's really nice to see that he's doing something back for the community. And I would really appreciate it if most, if not all of our players, when they come back to Jamaica, they do something like this each time they make that visit. Because it's a really nice gesture. So Reggae Boyz captain and goalkeeper Andre Blake is giving back to his own parish, Clarendon, and anticipates a huge turnout for this year's staging of Family Soccer Sunday on December 11th. That's Sunday coming at the Versailles football field, beginning at 10 a.m. The reigning MLS goalkeeper of the year said the 8-a-side football commission is on his go back. Yes, is his way of remembering his roots. As they would say, to whom much is given, much is expected. So I think it's only right to really come back to where it all started and do something for the youths to be able to see me and say, all right, this is Andre Blake in the flesh. Persons can ask me questions because I want to normalize myself, to make them realize that I'm just a human. And if no, you're not a human, my bro. You're a brick wall. Yeah, and okay, I make them realize that I'm just a human, and if I can do it, there's a possibility that they can do it as well, said the Reggae Boy skipper. No, don't really need to go in much more details of that. As I said, this won't be a long video, people. It necessarily won't be a long video. No, for sure, big up Andre Blake for doing that for the community. We know a lot of young youths in the communities right now are looking for you, looking towards you as an inspiration. And I love the fact that you're giving back to the community. As I said, I wish I'm not gonna say some. I wish all the players who are in that position to come back to these communities and give something that these youths can look forward to. The opportunity for them to see you, shake hands, and said, at least we met Andre Blake, and it's possible to reach that heights in football. No, so big up Andre Blake on that. Big up, massive respect on that. People, that I have to give a big shout out on that. Now that's a mistake. Let me jump over to the Women's Premier League, people. These are the fixtures for this weekend. We have Jamaica. We have match day 2 fixtures. The 10th of December at Westport Park, 1 p.m. We have Springers United versus Fraser's Whip, and also same Westport Park. We have Royal FC Mobe versus Royal Mobe FC. Let me say Royal. It's Real. Say Royal. I mixed up with Royal X. But anyway, Real Mobe FC versus Cavaliers at 3 p.m. So it's going to be a double header at Westport Park. When am I go down there? Anyways, that game will be on 3 p.m. Next matchup we have, people, is Rangers FC versus Baptist Alliance, and that game will be at St. Mary's Sports Complex. That game will be played at 3 p.m. Next game is Mile Gully FC versus Veer United. Veer United now is the team that we're really looking at. Astonishing performance over the weekend. So that is the details. That's what I came here for, people, to give you guys this amount of information. Not a lot, but hopefully you guys are doing good. Make sure you guys are doing good, people, and I'll see you guys again. Hopefully everything is okay with you guys. Definitely take care, people, and my best wishes. Big up MG Sports TV, people. We're out. Boom.